Teacher Rida Online Tutor. Hello children, welcome to a new learning video. So, shall we start? Okay, let's go.
Yay!
Today we are going to practice reading 3-letter words. I sound. It is going to be fun. So, let's begin. I. The sound is E. D. The sound is D. Id. I. D. Id. Id. K. Sound is K. Id. Kid. K. Id. Kid. H. Sound is H. Id. Hid. H. Id. Hid. B. Sound B. Id. Bid. B. Id. Bid. Next. S. Sound is S. Id. Sid. S. Id. Sid. L. Sound is L. Id. Lid. L. Id. Lid. D. Sound is D. Id. Did. D. Id. Did. Next. I. The sound is E. E. N. Sound is N. In. In. I. N. In. T. Sound is T. In. Tin. T. In. Tin. B. The sound is B. In. Bin. B. In. Bin. F. Sound is F. In. Fin. F. In. Fin. Next. P. Sound is P. In. Pin. P. In. Pin. D. Sound D. In. Din. D. In. Din. W. Sound is W. In. Win. W. In. Win. Next. I. Sound is E. E. M. Sound is M. Im. I. M. Im. Im. D. Sound is D. Im. Dim. D. Im. Dim. T. Sound is T. Im. Tim. T. Im. Tim. H sound is H. Him. H, him, him. Next, I sound is E. G sound is G. I, G, egg. D sound is D. Dig. D, egg, dig. B sound is B. Big. B, egg, big. F sound is F. Fig. F, egg, fig. Next, W sound is W. Egg, wig. W, egg, wig. P sound is P. Egg, pig. P, egg, pig. G sound is G. Egg, gig. G, egg, gig. Next, I sound is E. P sound is P. I, P. Ip. N sound is N. Ip, nip. N, ip, nip. H sound is H. Hip, hip. H, hip, hip. L sound is L. Lip, lip. L, ip, lip. Next, S sound is S. Ip, sip. S, ip, sip. D sound is D. Ip, dip. D, ip, dip. T sound is T. Ip, tip. T, ip, tip. Next, I sound is E. T sound is T. It. I, T. It. S sound is S. It. Sit. S, it. Sit. L sound is L. It. Lit. L, it, lit. F sound is F. It, fit. F, it, fit. Next, H sound is H. It, hit. H, it, hit. K, sound is K. It, kit. K, it, kit. P, sound is P. It, pit. P, it, pit. Now, let's read all the words together. Are you ready?
Yay!
Start. Kid, kid. Hid, hid. Bid, bid. Sid, sid. Lid, lid. Did, did. Tin, tin. Bin, bin. Fin, fin. Pin, pin. Din, din. Win, win. Next, dim, dim. Dim, dim. Him, him. Next, dig, dig. Big, big. Fig, fig. Wig, wig. Pig, pig. Gig, gig. Next, nip, nip. Hip, hip. Lip, lip. Sip, sip. Dip, dip. Dip, dip. Next, sit, sit. Lit, lit. Fit, fit. Hit, hit. Kit, kit. Pit, pit. That's it for today's video.
Yay!
Children, it is important to practice reading daily so that you can be a fast and a fluent reader. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel and also hit the like button, as it helps us to reach out to other parents on YouTube. And don't forget to share the video. Thank you.